Okay. Hey guys, I'm Tracy.
I'm Whopper.
And today we're making
Slime. DIY slime.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it, not Tracy, but Tracy's gonna help me.
Yeah, I'm gonna help because I'm a slime expert. Alright, this is what you need.
And Bubby will do the rest of the stuff. Yep.
Alright.
I will do this.
Anyway, we need a bowl.
Yep. Wait. Okay. So, Tracy, can you get out of camera?
Yeah, for a minute.
So we need some food coloring. Wait, hold on. Let's start with the big stuff first. We need some cornstarch, right? Yep, cornstarch. We need some baking soda. We need some food coloring, and we need some glue. 2 packs.
Yeah, we have 2 packs because
One's kind of empty. So let's take this all out.
So first you need to add your glue.
Yep. Wait.
Add the glue first.
Hold on. Yeah, Tracy. Just hold on. It's my video.
I know, but I run the account, right guys? Yeah. Alright, anyway.
Yeah.
Just start putting your glue in.
Okay. Guys, don't mention me. I'm just doing the voice. Okay.
Just put the glue in.
The least glue, right?
Yeah.
Here this.
Just put the glue in there while I put the stuff in order for you, okay?
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to put the stuff in order for him.
So we need that glue next.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So I don't want my hood. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
If that don't work, if there's no more, just put a little bit of this.
Oh my God, you never know because it keeps going.
Just put a little bit of this one in. Just put a little bit of one.
You don't need a guy you don't need him to be a coach. You need him to be kind of like a CEO.
Warning, don't eat glue. Even though it looks like milk, don't eat it. They do not milk a cow from glue. Okay, so this one's empty.
Alright, then you need to add your food coloring. What color would you like?
Wait, what? Okay, so let's see what it says on the back. So it says colors.
Brothers, right?
We do not have red. We do not have we do not have green. Yes, we do.
So what color are you making?
3 jingly green. What did I say? Jingly green. So it says 3 green, 1 yellow. Okay.
Could I add the yellow and you could add the green?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry. There's only 1 drop.
Sorry, blue. The blue's poor. That's why I put it on my shirt.
Okay.
And I do the blue or green?
Green.
Green.
Alright, so you put your colors in first. You put your green dye in there and yellow.
Wait. How many?
3.
Okay.
3 drops.
No, 1 drop of yellow.
3 drops of green though.
Do 1 drop.
No, you do yours first.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait, did it say 3?
Yeah.
It accidentally dripped 4, so that's okay. So 1. Okay, 3. That's it.
Okay.
That's okay.
We'll put a little here.
That shoulder was Tracy's. And that one too. Okay.
I'll put them away. Alright, start mixing with your mixing tool.
Wait, I need to get my mixing tool. Okay, so.
Ooh, tie-dye. It's so cute.
Hey.
What?
And fireworks. Fireworks. Okay, so. Tracy, help me. I can't pick up the spoon. I have a booty.
Here.
Okay, yay. Here, give me it. Close the drawer. Okay, so, okay, so I need mixing.
There we go.
Okay, so I just like to mix with my, whatever you call this, ball. Okay, so let's just do this.
Glamour, shut your phone off. Glamour. Glamour, shut your phone off.
Okay.
Ooh.
After I stir Cornstarch or baking soda?
Cornstarch. It's like a
Get the blue. Because I want to add blue.
How many drops?
4.
Oh, can I add them?
Yeah.
I
Cause 1. Whoa, that squirts out. Okay, 4. Okay, that's it. Whoa.
think it's more than 4 drops of blue.
That was like 13 or 14 drops.
I'm sorry, I love blue so much.
Cause that's your color.
Hey, Bubby, I'm here now.
Oh, hi, Kendra.
Hi.
Wait, look, it's the color of our eyes. I love. Oh my God, look at that. That's teal. That looks like teal.
Oh, I love that.
This is the first time I made kind of like teal. Oh my God.
Can I mix some of it, please?
Let's mix together.
Okay, here. Here, let's all mix it.
Okay. Let me get the cornstarch over
Don't
here.
add it now.
I won't. Just keep stirring. Okay, keep stirring.
All
Okay.
right, add the cornstarch.
Add the cornstarch. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so let's add the cornstarch only a little bit though.
Okay.
Only a little bit.
I don't know when it's coming out.
So it's just,
Oh God. No.
oh shoot! Oh no!
No.
Guys, it's okay. Oh no!
No. I messed up, guys.
It's okay. Here, we can do it.
Wait, remember last time we got it?
Yeah, it was clumping. It's clumping.
Don't we need to add the baking soda? It's cold.
Yeah, add the baking soda.
Right now?
Yeah, while you're at it.
Skyscrapers if you want to try and compete in the NBA. And
Okay, that's it.
place right now.
Whoa, this is so cool, guys.
I spilled on the table.
Oh no, it spilled on me.
Court games. I think he would
Whoa,
really
guys.
I think they obviously didn't understand
This is a lot of slime.
score, and yet he can
So-
shoot the 3 and he can play from the pick and
They
roll.
pay us a lot of slime. Like a lot of stuff to make slime.
And also when you're looking over
Wait, did it pour some on you? Okay.
I got some of me. Alright, you guys can start mixing it if you guys want.
Okay, let me clean Tracy.
Alright, guys, so
Get some.
we made this slime. Like and subscribe.
I'm gonna do a retry later on today.
Yeah, on Josh Joe.
Yeah. This video is gonna called
Slime.
How to make DIY slime gone wrong.
No, it's going to be called Making Slime with Tracy
Tracy.
and Whopper. No, Slime Channel with Whopper and Tracy.
Just like, subscribe, comment.
Bye!